The Minimal Phone 2 introduces a surprisingly refined experience that makes several bold structural and design departures from its predecessor. The physical footprint is remarkably compact, scaling smaller than classic hardware like the BlackBerry Classic and feeling significantly sleeker in the hand. A brushed metal frame gives the chassis a lightweight yet distinctly premium feel, while the overall profile remains surprisingly thin. Furthermore, the sharp, harsh edges that drew criticism on the original Minimal Phone 1 have been completely smoothed out, featuring subtly rounded edge contours that greatly improve daily typing comfort. In a controversial move for the Minimalist lineup, the original e-paper screen has been replaced with a vibrant, highly responsive OLED display. Surrounding the new screen is a full set of physical controls, including a 3.5mm headphone jack mounted on the top edge and a dedicated physical mute or kill switch reminiscent of classic alert sliders. The right side of the frame houses a combined power button and capacitive fingerprint scanner, while the left side contains the volume rocker. The physical typing experience and software environment have also undergone ground-up redesigns. To account for the smaller chassis, the keycaps feature a sculpted, non-flat surface profile with slightly rounded corners, delivering far better tactile feedback than the flat keys of the previous generation. Underneath, the custom Minimal Launcher software has been completely rewritten from scratch for improved fluid responsiveness. Running on full Android, the software offers complete flexibility, allowing users to configure the device as a distraction-curbing minimalist tool or as a fully capable, ultra-compact QWERTY smartphone.